Title: All Pairs Shortest Path. Floyd-Warshall Algorithm Using Dynamic Programming. Let's see what the all pairs shortest path problem really. And how does dynamic programming help us here? All pairs shortest path (APSP) problem finds the shortest path distances between every pair of vertices in a given graph. Works for directed and undirected graphs. Edge weights can be positive or negative, no negative cycles. Solved using Floyd-Warshall algorithm, dynamic programming. Dijkstra can solve APSP by running n times, but works only for non-negative weights. Floyd-Warshall solves APSP in one run, uses dynamic programming, and supports negative edges, no negative cycles. Johnson's algorithm, APSP, finds shortest paths between all vertex pairs. Vertical bar best for sparse graphs. Vertical bar supports negative weights. Vertical bar uses Bellman-Ford then Dijkstra. Vertical bar faster than Floyd-Warshall's used in routing systems. Dijkstra's algorithm must be run multiple times for APSP and works only with non-negative edge weights. Floyd-Warshall computes all pairs shortest paths in a single run using dynamic programming and supports negative edges, no negative cycles. Johnson's algorithm combines Bellman-Ford and Dijkstra to efficiently solve APSP for sparse graphs with negative weights. Key idea of Floyd-Warshall algorithm. The Floyd-Warshall algorithm finds the shortest paths between all pairs of vertices by gradually allowing intermediate vertices. Let A of I, j be the cost of the shortest path from vertex I to vertex j. K be the current pivot, intermediate, vertex. For each step, the matrix is updated using the rule. A 1 of I, j is equal to A of I, k plus A of k, j only if A of I, j is greater than A of I, k plus A of k, j. If less than, the value remains same. Algorithm steps. First, we initialize the distance matrix with the given edge weights, using infinity where there is no direct edge, and 0 for the same vertex. Then, for each vertex k as a pivot, we check all pairs I and j, and see if going through k gives a shorter path. If it does, we update A, I, j, otherwise, we keep it as it is. At the end, the matrix contains the shortest distances between all pairs of vertices. Here is our initial matrix A. Let's perform Floyd-Warshall algorithm. If the current distance A of I, j is greater than A of I, k plus A of k, j, we update it. For example, for I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 4, then A of 2, 4 was infinity, but A of 2, 2 plus A of 2, 4 equals 15, so we set a 1 of 2 and 4 is equal to 15. Similarly, for I is equal to 3, j is equal to 2, infinity is greater than 5 plus 3 equals 8, so we update a 1 of 3 and 2 is equal to 8. A of 4 and 2, then I is equal to 4 and j is equal to 2. A of 4 and 2 is infinity and A of 4 and k plus A of k and 2 is 15, then infinity is the answer. And perform all data points. Here is a final one resultant matrix. In this way, find all the data points and perform the steps for k is equal to 2, 3, and 4, since it is a 4 times 4 matrix. For k is equal to 2, we keep the second row and second column unchanged from the A matrix and compute the remaining values using the same method as used to obtain A. This gives the A matrix. Here is resultant a 2 matrix. From the A matrix, we keep the third row and third column unchanged and perform the calculations for k is equal to 3 to obtain the A matrix. This gives the a 3 matrix. Here is resultant a 3 matrix. The matrix changes up to k is equal to 3. For k is equal to 4, no further improvement is possible. Hence, the k is equal to 4 matrix is the final all pairs shortest path matrix. Time complexity of Floyd-Warshall. Time complexity, theta of n cube. Why theta of n cube? The algorithm uses three nested loops for k, I, and j. Each loop runs from 1 to n, checking all vertex pairs. Hence, total operations is equal to n into n is equal to n cube, so time complexity is theta of n cube. Advantages of Floyd-Warshall algorithm. Solves all pairs shortest path, APSP, in one run. Computes shortest paths between every pair of vertices simultaneously. Supports negative edge weights. Works correctly even with negative weights as long as there are no negative cycles. Uses dynamic programming. Breaks the problem into smaller subproblems using intermediate vertices. Ensures systematic and optimal solutions. Simple and easy to implement. Based on a matrix representation. No complex data structures required. Works for directed and undirected graphs. Applicable to multiple graph types. Applications of Floyd-Warshall algorithm. Network routing protocols. Used to find shortest paths between all routers in a network. Transportation and traffic systems. Determines optimal routes between all cities or junctions. Social network analysis. Finds shortest connection paths between all users. Urban planning and road map analysis. Helps in computing shortest travel distances between all locations. Computer networks and data communication. Calculates latency optimal paths between all nodes. Graph-based problem solving in AI. Used in state space graphs for path evaluation. Floyd-Warshall efficiently computes shortest paths between all pairs of vertices using dynamic programming. It is especially suitable for dense graphs and graphs with negative edge weights, no negative cycles. Compared to Dijkstra's algorithm, it provides a simpler and complete APSP solution in a single run. Johnson's algorithm is preferred for sparse graphs, handles negative edge weights by reweighting edges using Bellman-Ford, and then applies Dijkstra efficiently for all pairs. Thank you.